I think from an orthopedic standpoint, you'll find everybody has a similar story, it seems like. I mean, we love to be involved, we're outdoors, we like to play sports. And it seems like a lot of my colleagues who went into orthopedics either had a background in playing sports and had some kind of injury when they were young and very frustrated. And that's how they kind of got introduced to medicine in the first place. And that's kind of the way I approached it. I was lucky I kind of fell into it, sort of. I was going in a different direction, doing in flight school, and opportunity kind of arose itself, and I took advantage of it. And believe it or not, at first I thought I'd made a mistake, but as I kind of learned more about orthopedics and went in that direction, I was really happy I did it. You know, our lifestyles and our health is changing in such a manner that people who are in their 70s now are physiologically younger. And so that's our goal, and it's to move towards longevity of the implants, so you only have the surgery once in your lifetime and get back to your normal lifestyle as quick as possible. So.